my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What is going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today is a hard pulls video. I'm so stoked to bring this video to you guys. I've patiently waited almost 500 miles. We're like 460 right now. Patiently waited, man. Just going slow through the gears. I have not speed shifted, full throttled it in first or second gear. I've done it in like fourth gear, but I was already at high speeds. So yeah, man, today is the hard pulls video. I'm so excited, but the car started making a noise. It started making a throwout bearing noise, but I think it's just the clutch cable is loose. So I'm gonna go to the shop right now. My boy Mark is gonna go check it out for me. I barely put my foot on the clutch and it goes away. So I think it's just a clutch cable issue. Hopefully it is, man, because it is a Ford Racing throwout bearing. So I'm not sure why it would go out already, and it just started chirping, man. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start the car for you guys, give you guys a little cold start, and then I'll show you guys the noise right now. Okay, the car has literally been doing this for 3 days, and now when I try to record it for you guys, I have it recording, but now it's not doing it. I would literally barely go like this with the clutch, barely touch it like that, and it would go away. But now it's not doing it at all. So I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna take it over there right now, and I think it'll start chirping on the way over there. So I'm just gonna head to Ford right now, guys, and then I'll pick it back up when we get over there. So yep. Slow it out. Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Look, I barely put.
Yeah.
Barely. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So what do you think? Is the cable? Hopefully. Shit. We're gonna go right there or what?
Yeah, I'm
Dude, I did. Set it out. Looks like the pan took a hit. I looked it up online and shit. Spec said that only like 450 miles. So I was gonna do that extra.
That was their fucking
the recommendation for it. Yeah.
You're about to start ready to start fucking speed shifting like a motherfucker.
Yeah. Got another little 2-valve over here. Shit. It's barely when I touch it.
Now it's like going, stopping, going, stopping. I can just adjust it some more.
Damn. Yeah, bro, my dad got in the car and he like reversed it down the driveway and he was like, oh fuck no. He's like, bro, something's wrong with it, something's wrong with it. I'm like, why? He goes, it shouldn't be stuttering like that.
Well, the clutch? Oh.
Yeah, the clutch. And he was like, and that shit's too heavy, bro. I don't know why you did that shit. I'm like, well, maybe for you, shit. That's alright.
It works good for me.
Yeah. I think that tran's gonna let go before anything. Before the motor.
Before you got any problems with anything else?
Yeah. That 150 shot holds up, shit. Might have to put a built trans in it. Check it out. Try it one more time. good now? Yeah, dude, I was worried it was a fucking throw-up bearing. I was like, damn, how did that hoe go bad already? Yeah.
That's what we said. I was like, ain't no way that throw-up bearing.
Yeah, I was like, fuck. I didn't even tell my dad too. I knew he was gonna give me shit.
I sanded everything down and everything, so that shit should be spotted.
Yeah, I knew my dad was gonna give me shit about it too, so I was like, nah, let me just figure out what it is.
I just left a lot of slack in the first place on the clutch, so I didn't have any. So I didn't want the clutch rubbing when it shouldn't be rubbing.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But now obviously it needed it.
Yeah, a little bit of tighten. Yeah, hell yeah, bro. Yeah, got a cap on. Shit will be ready. You good?
Yeah, sir.
Alright.
Be careful, man.
Alright, brother. Thank you. Hell yeah, baby. Oh. Did I get stickers on here? Nope. Alright, fuck it. Oh my god. This thing's releasing him way higher now. Fuck. Releasing really high, but I might have to invest in a firewall adjuster because this thing is releasing extra high, man. It's almost like letting it out. Let's see right now. Oh my god, yeah, it's like at the very top now, man. I don't know if this is gonna affect the way it does when it's pulling, but you know what, we'll find out right now. So we're gonna go to Mexico right now, guys. We're gonna do our first pulls. The car has 470 miles on it, so we'll read it right now when we go to Mexico, see how many miles it has when we get there. And yeah, man, stay tuned. I'm pretty scared. See what this clutch feels like. Hopefully it grabs pretty good. Hopefully it chirps some tires, because I've never chirped tires before, believe it or not. So we'll see you right now, man. So let's go. Alright guys, as we're pulling up right here in Mexico, let's stop real quick. Yeah, I was just thinking on the way over here, guys, it's been a journey for sure, building this car, and it's definitely not over. This is the beginning of the car's life, but you know, the car has been through many changes, and this YouTube stuff, I'm glad I started it. You know, it's always been a dream of mine just to start a channel, let alone grow over like 6,500 subscribers. It's still crazy saying that out loud, but you know, I'm determined, and I'm determined to make this work. And I just want to let you guys know that there's so much like future things coming for this car, new car, and other stuff like that. So I just want you guys to stick with me. I have some, you know, some big life moves coming my way, and I'm gonna let you guys know soon when I close on it. I'm not just gonna, you know, just say it and not happen, you know what I mean? So I got some stuff on the way. I just want to thank all you guys for rocking with me, you know, pulling up to the channel every single time a video drops, you know, dropping a thumbs up, leaving a comment, you know, it really helps out a lot. I really appreciate it. And all you guys on Instagram also, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, please follow me on Instagram at 4.6Chris, just like it is here on YouTube. You guys have been going off on Instagram, man. My post just hit like 1,300 likes. Crazy, bro, crazy, absolutely crazy. You guys show mad love to this car. So well, without further ado, man, we're gonna do some pulls right now. I'm pretty freaking nervous. This cam's making me more nervous. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get these hard pulls in, baby. Let's get these hard pulls. There's a car passing us right now, and then we're gonna send it off with a first gear pull. I was gonna do a second gear pull first, but might as well do a first gear, right? So let's go, baby. All right, I was gonna roll out my driver's window, but I guess I just leave the passenger window down so you guys can hear some noise, but let's go, baby. Oh my God, I'm nervous. 3800, let's go. God, I literally roasted them. My camera got out of focus. It sounded like it was slipping in third, but I literally roasted them tires first through second gear. Like, it grabbed them first and second, but for some reason, oh my God. That was crazy. What's going on? Oh my God. Oh, it actually gave me a feeling in my stomach. Oh, that was good. Let's run it back real quick. Damn, boys, I don't know. It's like grabbing hard. It's grabbing hard as shit first to second. But then for some reason when I shift into third, it's just like, ah! It's just like dragging out. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know. Something smells like oil. I'm hoping not me. Alright. Do a little 50 roll. I literally did that pull with the windows down, and you can definitely feel the air brakes. So I don't know, man. I'm about to get my mechanic in here and go on a ride with me because that third gear feels so weird. I don't know. It doesn't feel like, I don't know, man. Baby. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. She's ready. She's ready. She's ready, boys. She's ready. Oh my God. Oh my God. She's ready. Oh my God. When I drop it into second, boys, I'm telling you, when this, oh my God. Oh my God, I love this car. Only 280 horsepower, guys. 305 foot-pounds of torque, and you guys can see how that can make me giggle. Like, man, I love this car. But you know what? I honestly hate these pops that comes out. I hate those pops. Look, I hate that, man. I hate that. There's only thing left to do, man, is just throw the intake manifold on now. Get ready. I got the jets. Get ready with that 150 shot of nitrous. You know, full send it to the moon, guys. I cannot wait. I was gonna remote tune the car, but I was just thinking the other night, I was like, you know what? Instead of, you know, remote tuning it and, you know, something messing up by accident, I have to do all the work with the data logging and everything. I was gonna pay my tuner again and throw it back on the dyno, and we'll see what this car puts down with 150 shot of nitrous. So we're gonna be back very soon, guys. Next video, I'm gonna be bringing you the intake manifold. I already drilled and tapped it with my dad. My dad did it for me. Next video, I'll be showing you the intake manifold. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be installing it yet, but I need to install it very soon. I'm gonna put the jets in, the nitrous plate. Then we will head to the dyno, man, see what it puts down. I'm hoping for like 430, 440 wheel horsepower and like 500 foot-pounds of torque, man. I'm ready. I'm ready to see if this clutch can take it, man. This car can take it. I think the car's gonna take it all day, man. The thing I told my mechanic earlier was that I think the trans is gonna go out before anything, man. So, you know, hopefully this T45 stays strong. Alright guys, we'll see you guys next video. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. I will see you guys next time, man. Thank y'all so much for all the continued support, man. See you guys later.